So guys, today I'm going to be heading to this Thong Chai Chun, which is a village, and after that we'll be hiking to this Thong Chai Chun waterfall. So let's go.
It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months, never done before. Past all the competition, man. PewDiePie is next, man. I'm popping all these checks. Got the brand new Rolex, and it met the Lambo too. And I'm coming with a crew. This is Team 10, bitch. Who the hell loves the venue? And you know I kick them out if they ain't with the crew. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You begging for attention, talking shit on Twitter too. But you still hit my phone last night. It was 4:52, and I got the text.
So guys, we're now at the Thong Chai Chun parking lot, which is over here. And we're going to be heading off to the waterfall. Yay. This car is dangerous. Please take. Do not stop.
I cannot be outdone. Chick Paul is number one. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said it's every day, bro. You know it's Nick Compton and my collar stay open. Yes, I can rap, and no, I'm not from Compton. England is my city, and if it weren't for Team 10, then the US would be shitty. I'll pass it to Chase, cause you know he stay litty. 2 months ago you didn't know my name, and now you want my fame. Bitch, I'm blowing up, I'm only going up. Now I'm going off, I'm never falling off like mag.
So guys, I think we're about to get there, and you can see and hear that there's a lot of noises, and that's my sister. Yay! And so far we're heading, and you can hear there's like a loud noise. Whee! Not that. This is coming from the water. So guys, we reached the first one. I think there's a few of these waterfalls, and this is the first one, and you can't really step on it. And there's like this bridge, which is kind of cool, and it just goes down slowly. So guys, I've now arrived at the waterfall number 1, and it's like this. And now there's a few waterfalls, so this is number 1, and then we're going to be heading to number 2 and number 3, and there's going to be a really big one, and then we're going to be trying to like play around in the small pool there, but so far this is the one that's really cool. So guys, we were still walking, and I just realized there was this sign which is 2 waterfalls, which is really easy to understand. And this is what I found. This section of trail is very difficult and only suitable for experienced and well-equipped hikers. Do not attempt in bad weather. Please take care. So guys, I've got up to a part of the mountain, and my sister's still down there. Somewhere there. And this is basically a view of what's
It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months, never done before. Past all the competition, man. PewDiePie is next, man. I'm popping all these checks. Got the brand new Rolex, and it met the Lambo too. And I'm coming with the crew. This is Team 10. Who the hell loves the venue? And you know I kick them out if they ain't with the crew. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You begging for attention. It was 4:52, and I got the text approved, and all the recordings too. Don't make me tell them the truth, and I
So guys, I've arrived. Yay! And now this is like the biggest one here, but there's one more, but we don't have enough time. So I just have my water shoes, and then I'm gonna go in the water over there. Let's go. So guys, I'm actually really scared right now. Put on my water shoes, and then now we're gonna be stepping into the water. Probably not a good choice now, but I'm gonna jump to that rock. Oh, okay, we got that. Here. Here. Okay. So guys, this is the view. Look. Oh, and sometimes you can see in the water, there's some like fish kind of thing. So we could look at that as well. Intense parkour. Oh. Mommy. So guys, we're now gonna head into the water. Are you ready? Oh gosh. Whoa, the water is so cold. The water is so cold, guys. Okay. I guess I'm gonna go from there. Around. Okay, guys, I'm going in. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Oh, I'm in. Guys, this is so scary. Oh. Guys, I'm in the water. Oh. Then we're gonna start walking towards that great waterfall. So guys, I got my mom's camera because my battery died. So yeah, let's go back into the water. It's kind of cold. I must hold on to this, so you might see a bit of fingers in the way. So there we go. This is up to knee height, guys. It's scary. Guys, stay there for now. So I'm now going to make my way towards this big rock over here. Okay. There we go. I'm going to stand here and look. This is like when I try to go over here. Sparky! Sparky! So that's basically what's happening right now. And this is really slimy, so I can't stand on here. You can't. It's too slimy. You will fall. No? Yes. And then you fall. No, I didn't fall. Well then, good for you. I like this one. The waterfall. It sprays us with wind, so okay guys, I'm gonna try and head deeper. So this is gonna be really crazy. I don't wanna drop my phone. I mean my mom's phone. Yeah, okay. Pull your pants up. Head deeper. Now I pulled my pants up a bit. Whoa! It's gonna start to get colder. So guys, oh my God. Oh, it's up to my knees. Oh, it's on my knee. Oh, this is scary. Guys, I'm gonna try and head. Oh, my mom said we can't go too far, so I don't think we should head further. Look, I know. Up to my arm. We're gonna walk this way now. This place, Marty. Now I want to climb these rocks because easy. Oh, that's it. Oh. Have to be much more careful. So guys, thanks for watching.